Welcome back to AI Video Studio. Today, I'm going to show you something incredible. We're going to create a complete, professional YouTube video about Christmas in just minutes using InVideo AI. No filming, no complicated editing software, just the power of artificial intelligence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a ready-to-publish video. Let's dive in. First, head over to ai.invideo.io. If you don't have an account yet, click the sign up button in the top right corner. You can register with your email or use your Google account for quick access. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is your command center. Notice the clean interface with the prompt box right in the center. This is where the magic happens. Before we start, let's explore all the creation options available under the prompt box. InVideo AI gives you different ways to create videos. First, you'll see seasonal options, like Black Friday. These are timely templates for creating themed content quickly. Create Short Video is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Optimized for vertical, bite-sized content. Make Explainer Video is ideal for educational content, tutorials, or detailed product demonstrations. Use My Script lets you paste your own pre-written script and the AI will match it with visuals and voiceover. Now, Workflows is where things get really interesting. This is the feature we'll be using today. This opens a visual gallery of different video styles and formats. These are structured templates with pre-configured settings that guide the AI in creating specific types of content. You'll see options like YouTube Explainer for longer form educational content, YouTube Shorts, vertical format videos, create animated videos, and this is what we want. When you click on Create Animated Videos, you'll see all available style options. You have choices like Disney Pixar style with highly detailed 3D characters, Lego style with blocky, playful aesthetics, anime style for Japanese animation looks, and right here, claymation style. And since the claymation style shows a thumbnail with Santa Claus, let's use it to create our Christmas video. Now comes the crucial part, setting up your video. After selecting the claymation style, InVideo AI opens a configuration window where you'll define the basic parameters for your video. Click the first drop-down. You can choose from options like fast-paced or very fast-paced. The second drop-down lets you choose your target platform. I'm selecting YouTube since we're creating content for that platform. In the empty field, enter a brief description of your video idea. This is just a simple topic description. We'll add more details later. I'm typing cheerful Christmas video. Now let's explore the settings section below. The first setting, Use Only Generated Clips, lets you choose whether to use only AI generated clips or stock footage. I want to use only generated clips. Second, In Claymation. This confirms your animation style. This is already set based on your workflow selection. Next is the background music. Here you can type the specific music style you want. I'm entering Christmas music to get that holiday atmosphere. You could be even more specific. Upbeat Christmas jingles, calm Christmas carols, or orchestral holiday music. Next, you can select your video's language from the drop-down. I'm choosing English, but remember, InVideo AI supports over 55 languages, so you can create content for global audiences. Fifth, the subtitles. The drop-down lets you choose subtitle styles. Bold, popping subtitles are perfect for social media, helping viewers watch even with no sound. I don't need a watermark text, so I skip to the music preferences. Here, you can choose Use YouTube Audio Library Only. This checkbox ensures your music is copyright-free and safe for monetization on YouTube. Highly recommended if you're planning to monetize your content. Seventh, and very important, voice actor settings. You have 3 drop-downs here: gender, male or female, I'm selecting male for a warm, Santa-like narration. Voice type, clear American voice. This determines the accent and clarity. You can choose from American, British, Australian, and many other accents. Role, the narrator. This sets the speaking style. Once you've configured all these settings, click the blue Proceed button in the bottom right corner. This takes you to the next step where we'll craft our detailed prompt. Here's a pro tip that will save you time and dramatically improve your results. Use AI assistants like ChatGPT or Claude to help you craft the perfect prompt. You can simply tell ChatGPT, I want to create a claymation video about Santa's workshop on Christmas Eve. Help me write a detailed prompt for InVideo AI that includes specific scenes, character descriptions, lighting, mood, and technical details for the best claymation results. You can then copy this optimized prompt directly into InVideo AI. I'm entering, create a heartwarming 60-second claymation animation about Santa's magical workshop on Christmas Eve. Start with Santa checking his famous list in his cozy workshop, surrounded by busy elves crafting toys. Show the workshop with wooden workbenches, colorful wrapped presents, and twinkling lights. Then follow Santa as he prepares his sleigh, with reindeer pawing excitedly in the snow. Include scenes of elves loading gifts, Santa putting on his red coat, and the magical moment when the sleigh takes off into the starry night sky. End with Santa waving goodbye as he flies over snow-covered rooftops toward the glowing moon. Use warm lighting, cheerful expressions on the clay characters, and create that classic stop-motion claymation charm with visible texture and handcrafted details. When you're ready, click Generate My Video. In the next window, InVideo lets you decide which video models you want to use for your generation. You can choose Basic, Pro, or Ultra. For this clip, I'm going to select the Basic model. In my next video, I will demonstrate the Pro model's capabilities. Now click Generate, and InVideo AI will start working its magic. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The AI is analyzing your prompt and breaking it down into scenes, writing a complete script with voiceover narration, generating clips for perfect visuals, selecting appropriate background music, generating a professional voiceover, syncing everything together with transitions and effects. This typically takes 2 to 4 minutes depending on video length and complexity. And there it is. Let's watch what InVideo created for us.
On Christmas Eve in his cozy workshop, Santa carefully checks his famous list one final time. All around him, cheerful elves work busily, crafting the final toys with loving care. The workshop sparkles with Christmas magic, twinkling lights and colorful presents everywhere. Outside, Santa begins preparing his magnificent sleigh for the magical journey ahead. His faithful reindeer paw the snow excitedly, ready for their most important night. The elves carefully load the precious gifts while Santa dons his iconic red coat. With a magical shimmer, the sleigh lifts off into the starry Christmas night. Santa waves goodbye as he flies over snow-covered rooftops toward the glowing moon, ready to bring Christmas joy to children everywhere.
The first generation is usually excellent, but you might want to make some adjustments. Click the Edit button. This opens the editing interface where you can edit script, edit media, edit music, or change voice settings. Feel free to experiment and tweak the clip however you like. I decided to take a slightly different approach. I downloaded the original clip, swapped the voice using 11 Labs, and created brand new music in Suno. These are my go-to tools for voice and music generation. I use them every day across my other projects. Now, let's watch the final version.
On Christmas Eve in his cozy workshop, Santa carefully checks his famous list one final time. All around him, cheerful elves work busily, crafting the final toys with loving care. The workshop sparkles with Christmas magic, twinkling lights and colorful presents everywhere. Outside, Santa begins preparing his magnificent sleigh for the magical journey ahead. His faithful reindeer paw the snow excitedly, ready for their most important night. The elves carefully load the precious gifts while Santa dons his iconic red coat. With a magical shimmer, the sleigh lifts off into the starry Christmas night. Santa waves goodbye as he flies over snow-covered rooftops toward the glowing moon, ready to bring Christmas joy to children everywhere.
And there you have it. We've created a complete professional Christmas video using nothing but text prompts and AI. What used to take hours of filming and editing now takes just minutes. The free plan gives you access to basic features, though exported videos will have a watermark. For premium stock footage, AI-generated clips, and watermark-free exports, you'll want to consider the paid plans. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create another animation using more advanced video models like Sora 2 and Google Veo 3 directly in InVideo AI. I will also show you how to edit and adjust your clip before downloading using InVideo editing features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Video Studio for more AI-powered content creation tutorials. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of video you're going to create with InVideo AI. Thanks for watching and happy creating!